Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I hear you guys are looking to move. Well, you are in luck because today we are at Scenic Walk in Snellville, Georgia, looking at these gorgeous townhomes by the amazing builder Meritage Homes. I'm Stephanie Olney with eXp Realty, and together with my amazing team, we cover all things real estate in the state of Georgia. So I'm going to take you on a tour of this fabulous townhome, which could be yours soon. But before I do that, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And welcome home, guys. Come on in and let's take a look at this beautiful townhome. So this community, and I will let you guys pan out as I'm talking here, this community has 90 townhomes. The HOA is only $150 a month, which covers various things, which we can look into further. There's also going to be a dog park in this community as well. So there's 4 different floor plans in Scenic Walk. They range anywhere from over 1,500 square feet to just over 1,800 square feet. Today we're taking a tour of this gorgeous model home. This is the Opal plan that's just over 1,800 square feet, one of the largest ones. And the awesome thing about this community is that every single townhome in this community is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no matter what the square footage, and they all have 2-car garages. Let's cook some dinner. This is a very open floor plan. You've got this gorgeous kitchen with this massive island, all new appliances, new flooring. You've got the tall ceilings in here as well, and it's super bright, super lit. Just want to point out a couple of features. You've got these really nice tall cabinets, really nice granite countertops here as well. A huge island area, and check this out. It looks like a small pantry, but nope, it's not. It's a large pantry to fit all of your culinary needs, guys. But wonderful open floor plan here. Lovely gas stove. Whirlpool appliances, brand new Whirlpool appliances as well. Just a beautiful open plan. And the other nice thing about these townhomes is all of the living space is on the first floor, and then we will go upstairs to look at the 3 bedrooms, and there's a loft up there as well. Let's go do that now. Oh, hi guys. So now I'm upstairs at this beautiful townhome, and as you see, when you get to the top of the stairs, you have this really spacious loft area, wonderful for an office or a kiddo's playroom. I have a 5-year-old, so that's what I would use it for. Then as you come over here, you have one of your 3 bedrooms, decorated so cute. And it even shows you the builder how they do the spray foam. And they have climate sealed homes. One of the lovely things about Meritage is they have a feature called climate sealed homes, which just is very unique to this builder. And you can definitely go online and read more about it. And of course, give us a call and I can get you much more information about all of their special features. This bedroom does have an ensuite bathroom, so come on in. It's an ensuite and Jack and Jill. So it comes through, it's a shared bathroom, comes through into your 2nd bedroom upstairs. Really pretty. Cute little baby's room. Or this could be a wonderful office as well. Come this way. Now we're going to head down the hallway to the master bedroom, which is on the opposite end. But before that, you do have a walk-in laundry room upstairs. And then you have dual linen closets right here. Lots of closet space. And a fabulously large master for a townhome or for any home. And I personally am a massive fan of these chests. Like, where can I get some now for my house today? Yes, so pretty. Go Meritage decorators. Check this out. Huge walk-in closet. So if you needed to camp out in here for the night, you got more than enough space to do it. It's a lot bigger than it looks on camera, guys, trust me. You're gonna have to just come out and take a tour of this community with me to see everything in person. And then you've got a really nice, quaint bathroom in here with the countertop height cabinets. pull-out drawers, separate toilet, and then a really, really nice shower. And it looks like you do get your tiled backsplash and everything in the shower. As far as upgrades and things go, that's something you'll have to reach out to me about, and I can get you more information about all the upgrades. All right. So guys, this is this gorgeous townhome, the Opal Plan at Meritage Homes. Love to get an appointment with you and bring you out to see it in person and look at the other plans available as well. But let's head on outside and take a look at the rest of the community. And now I'm outside at this beautiful Scenic Walk community by Meritage Homes. Just wanted to show you what these cute, quaint townhomes look like from the outside. They all have different facades. 2-car garages, very spacious, and they are 2-story townhomes. So take a look, carriage-style garage doors. We do already have some lovely residents living in the community, and it's just a small community, 90 homes, very quaint and cozy. The price point of these townhomes is phenomenal. They're ranging anywhere right now from $360 up to $402. So you can grab one of these babies today for under $400,000. It can be yours. Welcome home.